He soon realised that it's during these sessions of running long distances with someone that you learn a lot about them. And he learnt that he wanted to marry you. So, unbeknownst to you, after getting through a gruelling 26.6 miles of running, Josh dropped to one knee at the end of the race and asked you to marry him, which is why we are all here today. Imagine being with someone and realising you want to spend the rest of your life with that one individual. The person that makes you feel complete, makes you whole. Your love story began the way all good love stories begin, with Em ghosting Josh on Instagram. The two of you had years of just missing each other. Your paths may have just crossed many times, but 2.5 years ago, they eventually joined up and led us to this moment here today.
This is my dream.
When Emily eventually moved back from Canada, you quickly arranged your first date, which turned into a second date just the next day, and a third the day after, and so on. Until you had spent every single day with each other for a week. And, well, the rest is history.
I promise to commit to you for a lifetime.
To always be there for you, to take care of you.
And to always support you in everything you do.
You are my person, and I am yours, always.
Think back to the first time you met each other. And how you got from there to here. As so many people will tell you, your wedding day will fly past your eyes. So it's important to take time to remember how you feel right now. Your love is the kind of love that inspires stars to climb into the sky and light up the world.